All right, you gotta come.
Well, hang on. Yeah. Where are you at?
Oh. If you ain't over here changing out tires on a Bobcat, then where you at? All right. How's my beard look? Does it look okay? Welcome to Texas Beard Adventures. I'm Brad Harrell, your host, and today I'm at my house with my buddy Brian, who doesn't want to be on camera, so I'm going to respect his wishes. He is a very handsome fellow, though. What we're going to be doing is installing some Aperture. Are they Aperture resistant or Aperture?
Skid steer tires, right.
Skid steer tires. They are no air, solid rubber, and they sitting on dubs. Or those might be 24s, but I keep them clean. You know what I'm saying?
Got them 20s on there. Them 20s, I just got them. Them ain't 20s, but it's off the hook. Them are 20s, man. Them, no, they 10s. I bought them from somebody, but they nice though. Yeah, they cool. Yeah, they tight. And then, you know, since I had this, my pussy rate then went. I get more pussy from police ladies. Everybody give me some pussy. What up, Day?
So these are the tires. Let me get out of the light. And they got these holes in them. Oh, they are 20s. Look, you weren't lying, Brian.
Told you.
I told you. So these are directional, right? This is right.
Well, no.
No.
Reverse mounting them.
Yeah.
You want them
So
out.
You can do them actually
Either or.
this in or the other side in, right. And they just stick out further, right?
Depending on how you want to mount them.
Okay. So this takes two people.
Two people.
All the time? You ever done it with one person?
Yeah, you can do it with one person.
Yeah?
You can.
What? Tell us the sequence of events, what we're going to be doing here.
Well, basically, Brad's going to get in the skid steer.
Okay.
We're going to remove the two front tires.
All right.
We have it lifted with the snips.
Yeah. Yeah, and we're off the ground here. All right.
Remove the two front tires.
Okay.
I'll have him lower the machine, and I'll roll one tire up per side each time, and he'll lift it back up to raise these heavy suckers because they weigh about 350 pounds.
Yeah, they're some honkers. So, is this a... Well, I guess that doesn't really matter. I was going to say, I guess this is some type of split rim, right?
Right. So once you purchase these, you'll return them, and your next fee won't be as expensive.
Oh, really?
Right.
Oh, because they reuse the rim.
The rim, correct.
No kidding.
Right.
Well, that's cool.
Yeah. But these will last you, hell, who knows? I don't know.
I mean, I'm hoping
use the machine.
For the amount of money that they cost, I hope they last forever.
You ain't paid for nothing yet.
Yeah, I know. He delivered them to my house on his trailer, which is very nice of him. And I might just
that's a separate bill.
I might go ahead and just delete his phone number and block all of his calls. We got the front ones off. You tell me what I need to do, Maestro.
You need to get in the skid steer.
Are you off or down?
You're gonna go down slow.
So the deal is you just want to get them lined up. You got to have somebody in the machine so they can raise it and or lower it. And then the rest is just tightening up the nuts, and then you're done, right? Technically. Kind of, sort of, not really. All right, so go ahead and tighten those up, and I'll go get the jack stands. What do you torque them down to?
250.
About that much, huh? My buddy Justin didn't have a jack because I'm a professional. You see that, what it says right there? It says Arcan Professional Tools, because I'm a professional, and I do things right the first time. Isn't that right, Brian? So, Justin, if you're watching this, I don't use a stump like you do. I use a jack.
The stump worked good.
Don't try to chalk him up to something he's not. Yeah. God bless America. You make it look easy, Brian.
Come here and play with
Come
this
here.
one. Come here and
Come
play
here.
with this one.
Ah, whoa.
Man, don't wreck it.
God bless America. Santa Maria. Do I got it on right?
No, you gotta line the damn left.
No.
Up.
But I'm saying, is it the right way?
I don't know. Is it the right way?
I don't know.
It's pointing the right way.
All right, you gotta come.
Well, hang on.
Yeah.
Where you at?
Oh. If you ain't over here changing out tires on a Bobcat, then where you at? You need to come down.
Do you have the studs lined up with the top?
No, not yet.
The top's got to be lined up first before we do anything down.
Ah, God, mother.
Here, it's easier if you stand there and pick
What?
it up like I did.
Oh, like this?
Yep.
Are you sure it's easier
Yep,
that
yep,
way?
Yep.
God, mother trucker. Okay, I think we're good now.
We're good.
I think.
I'm coming
Come on
down.
down. Come down slow.
It's Harbor Freight.
It's high dollar.
I don't know what slow is.
Come on down. Come on down.
You
Come
sure?
on down. Yeah, come on down. You got about an inch more. A little bit more.
No way.
You're almost, yeah.
You can hold there?
A little bit more. You got about a 1/4 inch more. More. Wait, hold on. Stop right there.
Don't pick it up.
I'm not trying to pick it up. I'm trying to make sure they're all lined up.
More?
Yeah, a little
So
bit
you want
more.
it to where you can just lean it against the
Yes.
studs.
A little bit more. A little bit more. Almost there. Whoa, right there.
That's what you want? You got it pushed against it?
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to pick it up.
Okay, go ahead.
See?
Look at that.
Money.
I told you that's the way we're supposed to do it.
Piece of cake, right?
Piece of cocky. I wanted you to tell me what is the proper etiquette on tightening up a set of lug nuts.
1, 2, right?
Okay.
3, 4,
Oh, really?
5, 6, 7, 8.
No kidding.
Yeah.
Because I already messed up, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, because I always thought it was, because I went here, 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 and then I was going to go here. So that's not right?
It'll work.
I've never had a tire fall off.
Yet.
I mean, you're right. I'm only 40, so. So really, it's only been 24 years
Since
the first tire I put on.
Oh.
And then once you have those, then you go in a circular pattern.
I don't. I still go back the same way. But yes, you can.
That's what I was
Just
taught.
to re-snug. Yeah.
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 And then when you're doing, like on a vehicle, when you're doing the torque, do you do the same thing? Or do you just go all the way around?
No, I still do the star.
You do?
Yep.
So tell me again.
Well,
This
because-
one,
well,
this
yeah.
one, this one, this one,
Right.
this one, this one, this one, this one.
Something like that.
Is that what you said?
Close. Close enough. For government work.
feel like you're lying to me now. God. I'm just trying
Hey,
to get...
cowboy up. You got that goddamn cowboy hat
yeah,
on.
my God.
Goddamn beard and all.
All right, I'm good there.
You good?
All right, so what you want to do is you want to get the holes lined up. I can't see nothing. Man, I can't see a damn thing.
I can see out of it.
Oh, okay. No, it's all right. Whoa. God dang it. All right. Come on down.
More?
Yep. Oh, a little bit more. No, a little bit more. What's going on there? Ah, there we are.
You got it? Top?
No. Yeah, go ahead. Oh, no, wait. There it is. All right, I got it. Woo, boy.
Good job, ain't it?
Yeah, it is. So what you want to do, folks, is have your buddy drop it down until the holes with the studs and, well, the studs and the holes line up. So that way you can just kind of ease it on and then get your buddy that works at a tire shop to raise the jack back up, which this is what he does for a living, so he ought to do it right. Should have him over here doing this because that's what I'm not paying him for.
Yeah, exactly.
That's all right. He loves me too much. I think I lost a nut. Oh, there it is.
That would have hurt.
And that's how the NASCAR pit crew does it, folks.
Now she's sexy.
I hope you enjoyed this episode of Texas Beard Adventures. Do me a favor, if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing to the notification bell so you know when I post new videos. And I'll catch you on the flip side. You dang hillbillies!